You got a drink in your hand? Then you need one of these fiery bacon wrapped dates right out of an air fryer. Hi, I'm Mark Scarborough, and this is my YouTube channel, Cooking with Bruce and Mark, and I'm here to show you to make the best snack ever. Okay, I'm not even gonna really give you a recipe for this because this just depends on how many you wanna make and how big your air fryer is. You wanna crowd these out. So I'm just gonna show you how to make them one by one. I've already got a few done. And this couldn't really be easier. Okay, so take a thin strip of bacon, start there. I'm gonna show you something Bruce taught me, and that is the easiest way to have it widthwise is with a pair of kitchen shears. That way it doesn't bunch up. You know when you cut bacon, it can bunch up on the cutting board and all. It doesn't if you use kitchen shears. Okay, so there it is. I have got medjool dates. Those are those big dates. Giant. But start here with a pitted medjool date. Put one pickled jalapeno ring inside the date where you've opened it up and you've taken the pit out. Put the jalapeno ring in it, and then put a little bit, teaspoon of shredded mozzarella cheese. And this is the kind of trick right here. Don't go crazy with the cheese. Don't, because it's going in an air fryer and it's going to be really intense in there. And then set it on the bacon strip and roll it up and put it roll side down, seam side down on the side of the cutting board, and do another one. Click below in the information to this video. All the ingredients are there. It's really simple. Just a strip of bacon cut in half widthwise, a pitted medjool date, a pickled jalapeno ring, and a pinch of shredded mozzarella. That's it. Here's what you have to do for your air fryer. You got to get it set to 400 degrees for 6 minutes, and we advise heating the air fryer first. So set yours to 400 degrees, 6 minutes, and let it heat up. While it's heating, let me just say, subscribe to this channel, give us some likes, give us some love. Come on, if I'm making you bacon wrapped, fiery, cheesy dates in an air fryer, we need some love. Drop a comment, we'd love to chat with you. And check out our podcast, Cooking with Bruce and Mark, where Bruce and I are together and being a little crazy, wherever podcasts are found. Okay, I'm gonna get them in, open it up, get them in here, seam side down, so that they stay closed. I know it's a lot of noise. And make sure that you give good space between them. I'm working with a small air fryer here, so I'm not going to get all of them necessarily in here because the point is air circulation all around them. Oh, I might be able to get them all to fit, maybe. Remember, if you crowd an air fryer, you kind of lose the whole point. Air circulation is the deal. All right, we're in. I've got all mine in. It's ready to go. 6 minutes at 400 degrees. The doneness of bacon is a matter of personal preference. I said 6 minutes. If you like your bacon crunchier, 7, maybe 8 minutes. Just watch it because the cheese can run out a little bit. Just watch it, but I think we're perfect. These are cheesy, bacon wrapped, fiery dates. I can't wait to taste one. Don't taste them yet. They're super hot. You know, it's like the cheese pizza burn. Oh my gosh. So if you're going to make these for friends, for drinks, let them sit around for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes before you serve them, just so that they're not quite pizza burny. When we come back, I'm going to taste it. Okay, I'm ready. I have a culinary knife here because I want to cut into one and just show you that they're kind of cheesy and gooey in the middle. They look fabo. I've got my beer. I am ready to go. Spicy, cheesy, sweety, bacony. It needs a beer. When I was a kid, I had this fancy great aunt, and she would take me to this restaurant that had a salad bar in a sports car. And she would order vodka and 7-Up, and she thought that she was going to teach me, this is a Sal, she's going to teach me how to do, and she told me that real men do not ever drink out of a bottle. You put that to your mouth and people will think you're a homosexual. Anyway, you need a beer. You need bacon wrapped dates. You need them filled with jalapeños and cheeses. Check next time on this YouTube channel, Cooking with Bruce and Mark, for more recipes and maybe some tips on how not to be thought homosexual.